Wow! What was that? Hey! Look what I found! Wow! Look at that! Aren't they amazing? What's happening? Look out, eggs! Help!
Help me! Look out! All right, time to put this brick down. Perfect fit. Thumbs up.
Time to make this wall grow. Let's do it, BB. Brick by brick.
Almost there. Just one more. Done. Ah, found you, boy.
Staying calm and brave will help us overcome every fear.
Time to start the day. Let's go! Yeah!
All right, time to dig.
Here we go!
Perfect fit.
Scooping now.
Yay, it works!
Whoa! Whoa!
Wah, huh. Time to drench. Scoop, swing, and dump. Perfect. Time to make this gravel nice and flat.
Just right. Woohoo!
All right, second load is here. Let's get these stones unloaded. All right, time to move this big one. And drop! Success!
Perfect.
A solid foundation is the most important first step for every great project. Yes! We did it! Hooray! Time to push! Here it goes! Ooch! Yes! We did it! Time to make this strong.
Almost done.
Nailed it!
Time to make this roof cozy. Time for fresh straw. Ba. You got it, sheep. Comfy now?
Whir! Here you go. Enjoy your feast.
Ba.
Come on, everyone. Coop's open. Phoebe! Protecting those who are smaller and weaker is the responsibility of the strong.
Good morning, everyone.
Oh, ew, gross. I can't breathe.
Time to clean up. Ah! Here it goes.
All right, time to clean. Watch this. Whoosh.
Time to make our cows happy. This looks perfect. Hoop.
Yay. Look at this! All done!
Time to pour. All done. Lid on. Perfect.
All right, time to load these up. 1, 2, 3, hoist!
Heavy, but got it. Whew, done.
Here you go.
Thank you, BB.
Wow, thank you.
Hard work always brings worthy value to our lives.
Time to till. Oh, making perfect rows. Another pass done. All right, perfect. Look at the mist. The plants are so happy. Let's keep going. Huh.
Grunt.
Grunt. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Time for a drink, little plants. There you go. Oh, yeah! I got it! Wow! Look what I found! Yay! Yay! A big red beet!
Almost there. Keep going, BB. Just a little bit further.
Ready to dig, baby? All clean! Perfect!
Time for some delicious borscht.
Oh.
In go the beets. Yum, yum, yum. This is delicious.
Eating plenty of fresh vegetables helps our bodies stay smart and healthy. Goodbye, friends. I'm so excited to go fishing. Look at this little guy. I gotcha. There we go. Perfect.
Huh? Whoa! Whoa!
Got it!
Wow, a fish! Again! Look, another one! Whoa!
Oh! Whoa! Wow! Look at all these fish!
Time to pack it up. Wow, this bucket is heavy. Here we go. Gotta get this home.
La la la!
Whoa! Whoa! Oh no!
Meow!
Oops! Got one. Ooh, look! You won't get away! Gotcha! Yeah! Ha-ha!
Sharing joy with friends makes the happiness double.
So tasty. Vroom, vroom, let's go!
Yeah!
Wow! Yeah! Look at that! We're doing it! Almost there! Perfect!
All right, time to plant these. Whoa, this is heavy. Got it, let's go.
Time to get this field water. Look at that go! Boing, boing. Found it! Let's go!
All right, little bunnies, time for some fun. Whoosh! Gotcha!
La la la, scrubby scrub scrub. Clean carrot is done. To protect
I'm
your
drawing the
hard
coop
work,
here.
learn to
See?
love and care
It's gonna
instead
be
of
the
chasing
perfect
others
size.
away. Time to check on the farm. Oh no! What's wrong?
It's okay, little one. Shh, you're safe.
Ba.
That's right. Just breathe. You'll be all right. Just a little further.
Ba.
There you go, safe and sound.
Welcome in. Please, over here on the table. Just relax, little
Almost
one.
done, little
Let's take a
one.
look.
Just a little more cleaning.
Thank you, Dr. Bear.
You're very welcome, BB.
Okay, little friend. You're safe in your cozy home.
Open sesame, little friend.
Baba! Baba!
Ba,
Go get him, champ! Baba!
ba. Helping others when they are in trouble is the most meaningful thing to do every day.
These chickens need a home. I'll build them a fantastic coop.
All right, time to load up. Just a little more. Perfect. Let's get going, tractor.
Time to mark the coop. Just like this. Perfect. The coop goes right here. I'm gonna dig 4 big holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done!
All right, perfect. Look straight to me. Nailed it.
Time to set up our 4. All done.
Almost there. Just a little further. There. Perfect. Time to build. You!
Look at this.
I made it! Finally, it's in place. Time to make this cozy. Just right. Perfect. Time to go inside, little chickens. That's it. Come on in.
A neat and clean home keeps everyone healthy and happy. Time to plant these seeds. Watch them grow.
Yay! Time to make these seeds happy. Oh, perfect. Nice and cozy. Next stop, Soil Town. Time to get this field watered. Ah! Look at that miss go.
Oh no! What happened here?
I got it. Buckled up and ready to go.
Time to harvest the veggies. Oh, this one is perfect. I got it. Yay! Time to make something delicious. Chop, 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 chop. Delicious.
With patient care every day, we will reap sweet and wonderful rewards.